Alright, I got a Reader Products grinder here from Greg Reader out of, I guess, Texas. That's where it's shipped from. Let's unpackage this. I'll do an unpackaging video, then my little brother Dan bought one and my older brother bought one, and Dan built a stand for me. I'll go through what it takes to get it running, show you his stand and what it takes as far as the motor and the VFD. I bought the motor and VFD off of eBay from separate sellers. Sellers, not sailors. So it looks like it's packaged pretty good. And Greg called me right when he shipped this. He's a really cool dude. Very friendly guy. Greg Reader, thank you, Greg. Oh, there she is. Just like that. Those are hard to cut. Oh yeah, he's got everything. I probably need some dikes. Yeah, he's got every single thing padded, and it's actually on a wooden piece of plywood. Sweet. It's all machine finished. I'll go get some dikes. Alright, I was grabbing the dikes to cut this out, and I don't know if you can see that bad boy or not. Yeah, you can. Maybe for our first knife I will grind one of these. This was ground on my homemade lathe grinder, so I have a wood lathe and I kind of made this goofy little grinder, but it turned out pretty good. Hollow grind. An old rubber iron caster with a rubber wheel. Anyway, so back to the grinder. So Greg has actually bolted this through to the plywood. Can't find my wrench, so I've got to use a crescent. And he's actually locked the nuts down too. Right. Good platen. These are 1/2 inch, in case you were wondering. It's all real high quality machining. Nice. This is the horizontal, well, it's actually your horizontal fence, but then when you put it into horizontal mode, you swap these to there and it pushes it over, and then you have when the grinder's on its side in horizontal mode, you can use that also. And that fits into these. This is for your contact wheel, or this. Well be dipped. Contact wheel attachment or your fence attachment. So this would bolt to the stand. Your 56C frame motor. This is the piece that will actually swing down to hold it. It'll mount here. It's for your adjustment wheel. It's very tight. Gravity usually dislocates this little deal here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's really high quality. Has steel inserts anywhere something threads in, behind here, here. Has a thrust bearing there. The spring is actually way stronger than it looks. There it is. You got the flat platen. You have this arm for a contact wheel or for your table, your whatever that's called. This is your angle, so you can go horizontally. This is for your wheel. So next video we will install the wheels, and I will show you those. I bought those off of eBay from a guy in Provo, Utah here, and they are excellent quality. Then we'll do the motor, that was an eBay, and a freak drive, which was also an eBay. But this is very high quality. It's got kind of a, it looks like they use like a random orbit sander on it texture. It's pretty cool looking. Real high quality finishes on it. Everything's chamfered and square. American or SAE, I would say. Not metric or anything funky. So all your Allen wrenches, if you just buy like a standard Allen wrench set, they'll fit it good. These look like they're stainless steel 1/2 inch. They're really solid. The spacers are brass. He has a few of those. I assume these are hardened steel. I know the platen is. Anyway, we'll go through the next setup and I'll post a video on that. That's the unpackaging. It was kind of a bugger, which is good because that means they probably don't have many get damaged in shipping. It's a very cool product. My brothers both set theirs up, and I've tried my little brother's. It's awesome. So I'll mount it up, get a motor on it, and a freak drive, and we'll grind some knives.